This is day 1 of running 10 kilometers every day for 100 days. 1K, 2K, 3K. Right now, boys, we're running pretty slow. We're running pretty slow because, ayoko namang biglayin yung sarili ko. This is 100-day challenge after all, so we gotta preserve our muscles and energy, you know what I mean? Alright, 4K. 4K. It's hot as fuck right now, man. Hot as fuck, man. Tinanggal ko na yung hood ko, boys. Init eh. Anyway, sun is shining, bro. Sheesh. 8K. Man, I'm so hungry, bro. Kinain ko lang kanina is like isang saging tsaka kape. That's it. I'm so hungry, bro. I might eat after this, bro. $9K. Bilisan natin yung pace content. 10K. This is a reminder for you guys that you need to do something hard every day. Godspeed, boys.